Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. On the popper. Ooh, she jumping. Going on a sleigh ride now. Yeah. Come on. Come on. She fighting. Oh my gosh. Oh shit. It's a real fight right here. She down in the Hydrilla. Come on. Come on up here, baby. Come on up here. She caught in the grass right now. I ain't gonna lose you. Come here. Oh shit, under the boat. She under the boat. There we go. I got her. Damn, you big. Nah, Slim. Jasmine. Oh my God. Ooh. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yo. Whew. Damn, I should have brought my scale out here. I want to know what you weigh. You every bit of 3? It might be every bit of 3. Damn. Oh my God. Let me tie this. Let me put this hook down real quick. Damn. Oh my God. Damn. Y'all, I don't think this camera does it justice, but this bad boy is huge. I'm calling him a boy, but she probably a girl. Hold up. Hold up now. Let's see how big she is. What's good, Will? You see this bad boy? Bro, I'm thinking 3 pounds, bro. I'm thinking 3. 17 inches. Come on now. Let's release him. My favorite part. I'm probably gonna screenshot this. With this camera. Thank you, brother. She wanted a boat. Come on. You wanna do a dance for Facebook? Wanna do a dance for Facebook?